I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's head-to-head feature. This week is a bit of a family feud as we're comparing the 2019 Subaru Outback with the all-new 2020 Outback. Think of it kind of like Thanksgiving dinner, but with cars. So if you're looking to decide whether you should buy a used or new model of Subaru's Go Anywhere wagon, stay tuned as we compare the engines, cabin, infotainment, and price. First, let's look at the powertrains. The base 2019 Subaru Outback comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that's rated at 175 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque. Upgrading to the available 3.6-liter six-cylinder means you'll have 256 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque on tap. Both engines are only available with a CVT automatic and come standard with all-wheel drive. With the smaller engine, the 2019 Outback delivers 25 miles per gallon city and 32 highway, while the more powerful option comes in at 20 city, 27 highway. For the latest model, there are also two engine choices. The 2020 Outback comes standard with a 2.5-liter flat-four, good for 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. Those looking for a little more poke can opt for a turbocharged 2.4-liter, which pumps out 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. Both engines come mated to a CVT transmission that sends power to all four corners. The standard mill delivers 26 miles per gallon city, 33 highway, while the turbo unit comes in at 23 city, 30 highway. Now, let's look inside the cabin. Overall, there haven't been tremendous changes to the interior between 2019 and 2020. The back seats feel slightly roomier, but what buyers will likely notice is a progressive improvement in quality, with harder plastics being replaced by more premium-feeling soft-touch materials, which is particularly apparent on the top of the dashboard. It's a trend we've seen from other Japanese manufacturers, and it's a welcome change. That said, the slightly roomier back seat also comes with more cargo area. Fold everything down, and you're looking at 75.7 cubic feet of space available. One update to the 2020 Outback that buyers are sure to appreciate involves infotainment. In 2019, popular features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto were standard, but the biggest available infotainment screen was 8 inches. For 2020, base models come with a 7-inch display, but tech-savvy buyers want to spring for the 11.6-inch display, which, as well as being intuitive and quick responding, looks fantastic. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto remain standard, as are Bluetooth, HD radio compatibility, and over-the-air software updates. Turning to safety, the 2019 Outback scored a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and was also named a Top Safety Pick Plus by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. It comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight technology, which includes adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, pre-collision braking, and pre-collision throttle management. Since the 2020 Outback is an all-new model, it's yet to be tested, but given the ratings of its predecessor and that EyeSight now includes a lane centering function, we expect it will perform well. So safety contest buyers can feel confident with either model. Now, it's time to talk price. Just as you'd expect, pricing for the 2019 Subaru will vary considerably depending on mileage, trim levels, and options. For 2020, the base Outback starts at $27,655, and the range-topping Touring XT trim will start at $40,705. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive, so if you're deciding between the 2019 and 2020 Subaru Outback, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below, and also be sure to subscribe, as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle, thanks for watching.